Unveiling the element of surprise in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing phrase, element of surprise. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a powerful concept in both daily communication and creative storytelling. Let's embark on this journey together to understand its meaning, usage, and impact. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets behind creating memorable surprises in language. The phrase, element of surprise, refers to an unexpected aspect or feature that catches someone off guard, making an experience more exciting, effective, or memorable. It's the surprise factor that can turn a mundane situation into something extraordinary. In military tactics, for example, the element of surprise can determine the success of an operation. But it's not just for soldiers. We encounter and use this concept in everyday life, from storytelling to planning a surprise party. To illustrate how the element of surprise works in everyday contexts, let's look at some examples. Imagine throwing a surprise birthday party. The element of surprise enhances the emotional impact of the celebration. In movies or books, a plot twist adds the element of surprise, keeping the audience engaged and eager to see what happens next. When teaching, introducing an unexpected fact or activity can capture students' attention, making the lesson more memorable. These examples show how the element of surprise can be a powerful tool in various aspects of life, adding depth and excitement to experiences. Using the element of surprise effectively requires creativity and timing. Here are a few tips. Know your audience. Understanding who you're surprising is crucial. What may surprise one person might not have the same effect on another. Timing is key. The impact of a surprise often hinges on its timing. The best surprises are those that come when least expected. Balance is important. While surprises can be delightful, too many can lead to unpredictability or even stress. Use this element wisely and sparingly for the greatest effect. The element of surprise is a fascinating and versatile concept in the English language, offering a unique way to add excitement and memorability to various aspects of life. Whether you're telling a story, planning an event, or teaching a class, understanding and utilizing this element can significantly enhance your effectiveness. We hope this video has shed some light on the power of surprise and inspired you to use it creatively in your own life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.